Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Creating sales quote. Sales quote used to record an offer to a customer to sell certain product on certain delivery and payment term. You can send quote to customer, negotiate with the customer, you can change and resend the sales quote as much as needed. When the customer accepts the quote, you convert the sales quote to a sales order or a sales invoice in which you process the sale. To create a sales quote. In the search box, enter sales quotes and select the related link. Click on New to create new sales quote. In the customer number field, choose the name of the customer. Enter the due date and requested delivery date on sales quote header. Select item or GL account in the type field in quote line. In the number field, select the item number or GL number to be ordered. Enter the quantity you want to order in quantity field. When the sales quote lines are completed, choose the send by email action.